Hi everyone, I'm Simon. I work for River Home Connection, so we look after the River Home catchment. My name's Simon Hirst and I'm the River Steward. So today we're out balsam bashing. So this is Himalayan balsam. It's a non-native invasive plant that's taken over a lot of our green spaces in the UK, and it thrives on watercourses. It's very easy to identify. It's got a really fleshy, watery stem that's easily crushed. It's got a really shallow root system. It has these characteristic pink flowers, and the leaves are kind of spear-shaped. It has a midrib. The red midrib of the leaf has a reddish tinge, and it's got these little kind of serrated edges. So that's the plant that we're controlling today. For balsam bashing, all you need really is a pair of good gloves. A long sleeve shirt's good as well if you're picking balsam out of nettles and brambles. We've got waders on today because we've done a bit of wading on the river, but you can, if you're on the river edge, you can usually just get wade boots or wellies. You can see here we've got all different. The balsam germinates at different times through the year. So even these are little tiny balsam plants that have germinated later than obviously this one, which has germinated a lot earlier in the growing season. It's an annual plant, so it grows really quickly, produces lots of seed, and then dies down over the winter. But the seed it produces lays in the seed bank, and obviously it'll grow the following year. Another problem with this plant is the seeds float on water, so these seed pods, when they're a bit bigger, they'll pop and they'll send seed into the water. That gets washed downstream and then infects other areas of the river, so it's really quick at colonising new areas, and that's why it's so problematic really. It produces so much seed. And it does lots of damage to rivers, basically, riverbanks, because what it does, eventually you get a monoculture, so it'll be just this plant will be the only one that's really remaining on the riverbanks. It'll shade all the other plants out, and when it dies back in winter, it'll leave the riverbanks very bare, and obviously that doesn't leave any habitat for invertebrates. So yeah, so everybody can do the bit. Just pull it up, crush it, pile it up, give it a bit of a stamp, and leave it where it is. Good luck. Thank you.